Hi guys, this is me, Camila. I'm gonna make another video of Play-Doh. Okay. So, it's just with purple Play-Doh, but I hope you enjoy it. If you enjoy it, please tell me. And now we're gonna make it right now. First, we're gonna take off the Play-Doh. We're gonna make a beautiful flower, butterfly. So we need some more Play-Doh because this is gonna be a big one. No, we need some more. I can't wait. The butterfly is gonna be so beautiful. Okay, forget about that face. What are you doing? Okay, I'm spinning the butterfly because I'm busy making a video. I can't make a butterfly too late. Sorry. Sorry guys. I'm sorry, I can't make a butterfly. If you want, I can make nuts. I'm so good at nuts. Purple nuts. Now, are some people allergic to dogs? If they like dogs and they're allergic to dogs, then my mom is gonna get mad because some people are allergic to dogs and they want to play with dogs. That's what my mom said. So let's make the nuts. Nut. Okay, look, one nut. Hi nut, I'm a nut. What's that cake doing? Hey, I can make a cake. Well, I need some things, so no, there's nothing. Forget about that cake. Hey, I got an idea. I can make a small cake. A cookie cake. A cookie small cake. I hope it works. Does it? It worked. Cookie. A cookie cans. Cookie. I love cookie. They're so good. Wanna make a dough man? It means a snowman. Wanna do a dough man? So first, we're gonna use the dough. We need more Play-Doh for the dough man. A lot. This is purple. Look at this dark purple. I like it. Look at how big this ball is. It's humongous. I'm gonna make a shorter ball, like this much Play-Doh. It's gonna be a little small, but we're almost gonna be done. You know what? That's too small. I love making dough mans. Which one do you like? A sandman or a dough man or a snowman? Comment below. Put this in. Hey! I got an idea. I'm making Olaf. I'm gonna make an Olaf. Next little feet. I love making dough mans. It fall. Wait, how can I make a dough man if it's gonna fall? That's okay. Gonna leave it like this. So now I'm gonna make his head. You know how Olaf looks like? If some people don't, then see the movie that has a person that has white hair and with a dress that's blue and with snowflakes on it, and then you see Olaf. Okay? And if someone wants to see my video again, here, I give it to you. It just popped out of my hand. I'm gonna make his little eyes. His eyes. Now his little carrot. And now his mouth. Just make a little line. He's always happy. And he always melts in the sun. 3 more things. 3 sticks in his head. That's his hair. First, this one from the middle. It looks so funny, right? Oh my gosh. A little bit from the side. I'm gonna make his sticks. I'm gonna make his sticks. Now we made his Olaf head. Ta-da! Oh my gosh. It's gonna fall. I'm an Olaf. Uh-oh. Ow. Wanna see my ring? It's pretty. Sparkly. If you can't see it sparkle, then I put it more closer. Look. I'm gonna make a cake actually. Just with this bottle, and a cake. My cake is gonna be ruined soon. Okay. I'm done with the cake. Now all we need is a candle. Oh, you hear that? That's my baby Ella. She's always crying for everything. And she cries so loud, right? Can you hear that? She cries so loud. And she doesn't let mommy do anything, not even a video. Guess what? My friend Galilea has 2 babies. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Look at my candle. Look at my cake. Look at my mama. My cake. Bye. I'm gonna bring you back to mommy.